In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the messages in iCloud is not available as iCloud and iMessage account don't match error. Now I know this error can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps that should resolve the issue in just a few minutes. First things first, we need to sign out and then back into both iCloud and iMessage. These two need to be in sync to ensure everything works smoothly. So let's start by heading over to your iPhone's settings. Tap on your name at the top, which will take you into your iCloud settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. Once you've signed out, give it a few moments and then sign back in using your Apple ID credentials. Make sure you remember your Apple ID password before you do this. Next, we'll tackle iMessage to ensure consistency across the board. After you've signed back into iCloud, navigate to your Messages app settings. You can do this by going into Settings, then scrolling down to Apps, and selecting Messages. Once you're there, find the Send and Receive option and tap on it. You'll see your Apple ID at the top. Tap on that and sign out. Just like with iCloud, you'll need to sign back in using the same Apple ID you used before. Remember, it's crucial that your iCloud and iMessage accounts are logged in with the same Apple ID so that they can communicate without a hitch. Now that we've re-established a connection for both iCloud and iMessage, the next step is to ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes a simple software update can solve a host of issues, including this one. To check if there's an update available, go back to your main settings menu and select General, then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This might take a little while, so make sure your device is plugged in or adequately charged. Finally, after updating, you might want to check the Apple System Status page. Sometimes the issue might not be with your device at all, but instead with Apple's services themselves. Go to Apple's System Status page in a web browser to see if there are any reported issues with iCloud or iMessage services. If everything looks good there and you followed these steps, your issue should be resolved. If not, it might be worth reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. With all these steps complete, you should be back up and running smooth as ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you fix the error.